So let's do this. Let's grab your stuff and let's go.
You can grab your stuff and you need to leave right now. If you don't, you go to jail.
No, I can't leave the premises, bitch.
Are you refusing to leave?
Are you refusing to leave?
Are you refusing to leave?
I'm gonna be stuck here.
Are you refusing
I'm going
to
be
leave?
stuck here. There's no way to get out of here.
Did we?
Where is it so I can go?
Give it to me before I end up putting her in the car.
On March 10th, 2024, Orlando police responded to a trespass call at Orlando International Airport. What follows is the legal analysis.
Trespasser.
So what's going on? What's happening?
Okay, so she's been here for a couple of days.
Okay.
We've been monitoring the situation with her, and there's a male as well.
This means you need to call them, let them know I'm in the beach room where you can pick me up. They're gonna tell you between the 1 to 4 or whatever is the open space outside. Yeah, but you gotta call them.
We asked her what she was, what her business on property was. She goes, I'm waiting for a friend. I said, where's your friend? She goes, I don't know.
Okay.
Just waiting for somebody to come and
That
pick
was
up.
just now.
Yeah.
Do you want to press charges or?
Would you like to press charges if she refuses to leave?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Hi there, ma'am. Were you asked to leave by those people?
All right.
Okay, well, they said that you're asked to leave, so at this point you gotta leave.
Let me ask you this. Do you have any business here?
I was waiting for someone to come back to get their stuff.
Are you flying out of here?
No.
Okay, so unfortunately, because you don't have any business here, you cannot stay here. So here's what's going to happen, because they did ask you to leave earlier and you refused to leave. So now they're letting us know that if you do not leave at this moment, you will be trespassed. And if you still refuse to leave, we will arrest you.
Okay, I don't have a way to leave here.
We will give you a bus pass. You can catch the bus and take it off the property.
I was for sure I thought we had to let your symbols.
I'm sorry?
Can you speak up, please?
No,
I think she's talking to somebody on the phone. Whoever it is. Do you guys have a bus pass by chance?
Yes,
Thank you. Are you traveling with anyone else, or?
No.
The reason why I'm asking is because if they need a bus pass, we'll give it to them
I don't care
too.
about them if they did need whatever it was. I'm their mom.
you have ID on you?
I'm not giving it to you.
Okay. You gotta get up and leave then.
Okay.
Right
Like I
now.
just said, I cannot
All right,
go.
ma'am,
if
we're
trying
going to
get
stop
out.
the
You're gonna
attitude.
get up?
I just need you to
Shut
grab
the
your stuff and go.
up.
Ma'am, I just need you to grab your stuff and go. You don't need to have all that attitude. It's not even necessary.
I'm not even talking to her. She keeps talking to me. I don't like
Okay.
it.
All right,
We're gonna give you
so
2
let's do
seconds.
this. Let's grab your
So-
stuff and let's go.
You can grab your stuff and you need to leave right now. If you don't, you go to jail. I'll give you about 30 seconds.
183, come. Are you nearby?
Like I just said, I cannot leave.
You're free to go.
I
All you
cannot
need to do
leave
is grab your
without
stuff.
going wherever I need to go. I cannot leave.
I'm gonna
You
need
just
a
need to
cage
leave the
car. Can you come
premises.
over
No, I
to
can't
level
leave the
1?
premises, bitch.
Are you refusing to leave?
Are you
be
refusing
stuck
to
here.
leave?
Are you refusing to leave
I'm
the
gonna be
property?
stuck here.
Are you
bitch.
refusing
I'm going
to
be
leave?
stuck here. There's no way to get out of here.
Did we not just tell you we would give you a bus pass?
Where is it so I can go?
Give it to me before I end up putting her in the car.
There you go.
Hold on, give me a second.
That's not gonna get me where I need to go. But I'm not.
Yeah, but it'll get you off the property and keep you out of jail. That's what I'm trying to do.
Well, I'm trying to go where I need to go and not get off the property. If I'm not going where I need to go, then I don't give a about that.
So you're refusing to leave the property. Is that what you're telling me? You're refusing to leave the property.
If I cannot go
Are
where
you
I need
refusing
to
to leave the
go,
property?
if I cannot get
Are
to
you
where I need to
refusing
get
to
to,
leave the
bitch,
property?
no, I'm not going to.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Get off of me. Get off of me because I'm not going to jail. Get off of me. Get off.
Ma'am, stop resisting.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Alright, calm down.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Put your hand behind your back.
So, come to 140, where are you traveling?
Get off of me. Stop resisting now. Get off of me. me, I'm not going to jail. Stop resisting now. I'm not a stupid bitch. You got it? Got it.
Hold it down. Hold it down.
Stop resisting. Get off of me. Give up your hand. Get off of me.
What's your hand?
Get off of me. I'm not going to jail. Give off your hand. Get off of me. Going to jail. No, I'm not. Switch with me. I got it. Switch with me. I got this. Go that side.
I can't go.
Oh, just stay there. Just stay there. Because I'm about to put her feet. I'm about to bring her feet to her ring.
Give us your hand. You do not need to make this as hard as this.
Okay. So, take me. Take me. I'm gonna hit you.
Stop resisting. Get off of me. I got my back. Stop. Here, got this one. Get off of my back! Stop resisting!
Stop resisting. Go ahead.
Here. Grab it. Stop resisting, you're gonna get tased. I'm not going. You're gonna get tased. I'm not going.
What's your hand? What's your hand? All right.
Get my shit. Get all of my shit. Get my stuff.
Relax.
I'm not going to jail because I did not do shit.
You are going to jail.
For no reason, I'm not going to jail.
Please comply or you will be.
I'm not going to jail.
Stop her.
Get my stuff.
Stop her.
Get my stuff.
Do that by the car so you can just get her going.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff. Get my stuff. Stop.
1 second. Secure this cuff a little more. It's too loose.
Ow, get off of me.
Please comply. Stop.
Get off
Stop
of my
flexing.
back.
Florida Statute Section 8-1-0-.0-8 requires 3 elements for trespass in a structure: unauthorized presence, a warning from the property owner, and refusal to leave. Airport terminals are non-public forums under International Society for Krishna Consciousness versus Lee. 1992. Operators may lawfully exclude anyone without legitimate business. Once the subject refused to leave after a warning and a free bus pass, probable cause was complete. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 2001, authorizes warrantless arrest for any in-presence misdemeanor. Florida Statute Section 9-0-1-.1-5 codifies that authority. Tensing, pulling away, and tucking the arms during a lawful arrest is Florida Statute Section 8-3-.0-2, resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. A strike on an officer would have bumped it to Section 8-3-.0-1, a third-degree felony. Force is measured against Graham versus Connor. 1989. Objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective on scene. Empty hand control against nonviolent resistance clears that bar. A taser warning without deployment isn't force at all. Deadly force was barred outright under Tennessee versus Garner. Florida has no general stop and identify statute. Under Hybel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004. Any such requirement needs a clear statute. Florida lacks one for pedestrian encounters. Pre-arrest refusal to identify isn't a crime. Post-arrest ID is mandatory for booking.
Stop flexing.
Stop.
Stop flexing.
Get
Thank you.
off of me.
Thank you. Please walk.
Get my stuff.
Please walk.
Get my stuff. Get my stuff.
Hey, I'm about to grab the legs. Oh, walk backwards. Walk backwards. There you go. Hold on 1 second. Through. Lean back through.
Get my stuff. I need my
So there you
stuff.
go. Walk backwards.
Get my stuff. Get my property. I need my stuff.
People hold over. We got the rest.
Get my
Hold on,
stuff.
let me search you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Open up the door, create a pocket, and then we'll search it.
I don't even have nothing. That is my stuff. Go
Up
get
against
it.
there. You're going to be searched. Do you have anything on you that's Scotch band?
No, I need my stuff. Go get my stuff. Why haven't you got my stuff? I need my stuff.
Spread your feet, please. Stop resisting. Land up away. Stop resisting.
Y'all arresting me for no reason. It does not even make any sense.
No, I'm 180. Why check?
Bailey. There you go.
2210, go from Oscar 97. Where are you, check? 2410.
I need my stuff.
Stop resisting. Please comply with
I'm
all
not
laws.
even resisting. I don't even know what you're talking about, but I need my stuff.
I'm going to jam you in the last session.
Sit all the way back and face to the left.
I need my stuff.
Face to the left.
Can you get my stuff?
The Orlando officers earn a B-. Sound legal foundation, textbook warning sequence, proportional force. But verbal composure slipped under stress, falling short of the professionalism standard modern policing demands. The subject earns a D4 off-ramps declined, departure, bus pass, verbal compliance, peaceful submission to arrest. Only the absence of a strike on an officer kept this out of felony territory. 2 takeaways. For citizens, when an officer issues a lawful trespass warning, leave, then litigate if the warning was wrong. Physical resistance doubles the charges and forecloses most offenses. For officers, verbal discipline is a force multiplier. Matching tone to procedure would have made this textbook. Let us know in the comments below if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.